All right, so the Lifo method. So we used the FIFO method, and we saw that we had $29 of cost of goods sold. Ending inventory is valued at $9. So now if we use FIFO method here, what's going to hit? What we should see. I'm sorry, the Lifo method. Now in this case, we're seeing a decrease in the prices as the dates go along, and which is, it can happen, but it's not necessarily. It's kind of rare that we see prices decreasing as we usually see inflation instead of deflation of prices. What I'm trying to say. All right. And what we're probably going to see here is a reverse effect where we're going to see cost of goods sold. In this situation, cost of goods sold is going to give us it's going to be less than FIFO in this situation, which isn't usually the case. So let's take a look at it. Well, let's go through the problem. We can talk about that later. Lifo, we have beginning inventory at 26 at 5. That's the same as the last problem. And then on May 4th, we had that sale. And we just do the same thing again because that's all we have. So 10 at 5, cost of goods sold is going to be $50 for this one. All right. Then we make a purchase on the 12th, so May 12th. We purchased. I'm sorry, that should go up here. So I'm sorry. Now we have 16 at 5 left over, and then on May 12th, that should not go here. We should go up here with that. May 12th, we made a purchase of 16 at $4. All right. Then on May 16th, we made our next sale. This should be the 16th, my fault. All right, so on May 16th, we sold we sold 6. All right, but here's where it becomes different now. The last time we used from the beginning inventory because it was first in, first out. Now it's last in, first out. So the last piece of inventory we purchased should go out now. So we're going to change this to 10 at 4. And we're going to do 6, not at 5, but at 4. Cost of goods sold is $24. All right. Then we made another sale on the 21st. On May 21st, we sold 14. We sold 14. So we have to go. We can take these 10 because it's last in, first out. So take those 10. Get rid of those 10 at 4, which gives us 40. And then we have to use another 4 of these. So we're going to cut that down to 12 at 5. So 12 at 5. So that's going to give us $60 for cost of goods sold there. All right. So again, we went to the last first. So we used up those 10 that we had left over at 4. And then we went to the beginning inventory because we had to. So 12 at 5. The stuff that we had piled up before we bought the last stuff. All right, so that totals. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. We should have only used 4 at 5, and that should be 20. My fault. All right, but this is okay up here because we only got rid of 4. All right, so 4 at 5, $20. All right, good. So going on to the next one, we purchased on May 25th. We purchased 8 at 3. And then on the 31st, we made our last sale. And we sold 17. All right, so we're going to use the 8 at 3 because this is Lifo. So we don't have any of those left. We used the 10 at 4. All right, but then we have to go back to the ending inventory or the beginning inventory. Since these were used on the last one, we have to use 9 of those. All right, so 9 at 5. All right, so 8 at 3 is $24, and 9 at 5 is $45. And then this is pretty much it. So we know we used 9 of these, so we have 3 at 5 left over. So Ending inventory is going to be 3 at 5, which is $15. You can see that the valuation of the ending inventory is higher in this case, which, like I said, because we have those depreciating prices. And then the cost of goods sold is just the total of this column. So we have 74, 104, 74, I'm sorry, 114, 20 is 134, 134, 154, 158, 198, $203 of cost of goods sold. All right, did I do that right? Let me just double check. Yeah, $203 of cost of goods sold. Okay, so you can see cost of goods sold under Lifo is usually more than FIFO because you're using the last inventory first, which is usually the more expensive. But in this case, for this particular problem, the prices were depreciating as time went on. And again, it can happen, but not usually the case. All right, so that's a LIFO problem there. Cost of goods sold should equal $203, and ending inventory is 3 units. 3 units at $5 left, with worth $15.